Hello viewers, last time I tried watching a long YouTube talk show, but poor internet, even 4G, wouldn't play it. So I found a solution and shared it so you can watch videos even with weak signals. Now YouTube is in front of you and let me play this video, note the signals as well as note the time. Both are working perfectly, but the internet connectivity is very low. And despite passing a minute plus, the video couldn't be played. Let me show you another video so you may better understand, as if in case some video may have issues related to the server, but every video I play is unable to watch. So let's go and fix it. Tap on the screen so you may see this gear-like sign. Click on it and click picture quality. Now when picture quality opens, come down and click advanced. And now select the lowest 144p. But remember, this setting of low pixel would be only available for this video. For permanent change of settings, you may click the green color setting below. Now the video has started working and you can see it's perfectly play. I also checked the quality. It's 144p. Once again, let me forward it. Another forward, and you can see that a little buffer or a little pause can be seen by forward or reverse. Let me give it a larger reverse almost from the start and you will see that it's satisfactory and the result is good. There is no buffering in the video. You can also note the poor internet connectivity because the lower video's thumbnails is unavailable and only dark screen below the names of the video. Let's test the same on another video. Let me play this video, click the screen and once again go and click this gear-like sign and come and click picture quality. Now click advanced, select 144p for this video and you can see that the video played normally. Let me also show you that internet data is working but Wi-Fi is off. So through this way you can watch longer discussion or longer videos even if very weak signal of internet. Thanks for watching.